Top 5 Best Double-DIN Car Stereos. Number 5. Jensen J1CA7 7-inch Certified Apple CarPlay Android Auto. Jensen J1CA7 aims for simple, safe, and smart, and mostly nails it. The 7-inch 1024x600 touch panel is crisp and responsive. Swipes feel natural, taps register cleanly. CarPlay and Android Auto run snappy over a wired rear USB-A, plan a cable route, and Bluetooth hand-free calls sound clear with quick switching when the cable is unplugged. Steering wheel control support, 3 sets of pre-outs, front, rear, sub, 8 EQ presets, time alignment, and 240-watt peak MOSFET power make a solid feature stack. Backup camera input is ready, and registration extends coverage to a 3-year warranty. Real-world fitment is friendly to double-DIN brackets. Minor trim work may be all that's needed. A small quirk: keep the radio antenna connected. Some vehicles seem happier electrically that way. Interface hiccups are rare. The settings. The miss: no adjustable high-pass filter. That limits protection for door speakers if running off head unit power, even though sub-level control exists. Also, no wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Charging cable lovers will shrug, cord lovers won't. Verdict: QLED, strong value, and better touch response than many budget rivals. For cable content commuters and basic system builds, this feels like the right trade. Coming in number 4. QLED Double-DIN Car Stereo with Dashcam. A budget double-DIN that punches above its weight. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connect fast. Voice control keeps eyes on the road, and Bluetooth 5.3 with its own antenna stays locked. The QLED touchscreen is crisp at 1024x600 and plays 1080p video smoothly. Touch response feels modern, not mall kiosk. Audio routing is the headline. 4-channel RCA pre-outs plus 2 dedicated sub-outs, tone control, and enough I/O to run an external mic, dashcam, backup cam, and an amp without drama. The included 720p dashcam and HDMI add real safety, while a big heatsink keeps things cool on long drives. Install is friendly if the dash opening matches. Some cars need a dash kit, wire harness, and antenna adapter. Fans of this brand praise a consistent wiring harness across models and responsive firmware support, even custom splash screens for that OEM flex. Trade-offs: RMS power sits around to 10 watts per channel, so crank it too far and distortion shows up. Plan an external amp for volume. Plastic fascia looks cheap, darker screen colors wash out in bright sun, and radio reception is only fair. Expect smart features, not alpine sparkle, and enjoy value that outpaces the price. Coming in number 3. JVC KWSX88BT Bluetooth Double-DIN Car Stereo. JVC's KWSX88BT is the quiet professional. Simple face, real buttons, real work. A bright LCD, detachable face, front USB, 1.5 amp fast charge, and aux cover daily needs. Bluetooth handles calls and streaming well, even juggling 2 phones. On restart, it can resume Spotify and even grabs time from the phone, small touches that feel premium. Sound is its lane: a 13-band EQ, digital time alignment, and JVC's K2 processing wake-up factory speakers. Character skews honest, so-so at whisper level, clean and lively from quarter to 3/4 volume, a bit strained flat out. Built-in power is the usual 50x4 max, and the 2-channel 2.5-volt pre-out, rear, and sub invites an amp if volume or low-end control matters. Install plays nice in older dashes thanks to proper threaded M5 side mounts. Big buttons help on the road. Multicolor illumination can delay before audio, plasticky fascia, and an external mic that needs routing. Not a screen-obsessed piece, more a dependable upgrade that makes stock systems feel newer without wrecking the budget. For drivers who want function flash, this is the right kind of old school. Coming in number 2. Pioneer DMH130BT 6.8 Resistive Touchscreen. Pioneer's DMH130BT is the kind of upgrade that makes an old dash feel new without begging for attention. A clean 6.8-inch touchscreen, quick Bluetooth pairing, and simple controls bring order to the daily commute. Alexa support, via Voices Plus WebLink, adds voice muscle for music, calls, and quick asks. The screen look can match nearly any interior with 5 display colors and more than 100 illumination options, plus custom backgrounds for extra polish. Real-world notes hit the right beats. Installs are straightforward with the proper dash kit and harness. The unit wakes reliably, phones reconnect fast, and resume streaming without drama. Camera-ready inputs make parking easier, and test feeds look sharp. Sound quality lands in the Factory Plus zone out of the box. with enough EQ and menu options to nudge stock speakers alive. The name reliability feels like cheating time. For older sedans, vans, and SUVs that deserve a second act, this is the smart, low-fuss pick. Coming in number 1. PLZ7 Wireless Double-DIN Car Stereo. PLZ7 aims for stress-free driving. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto connect fast, voice control handles maps, calls, and playlists, and Bluetooth 5.3 stays rock-solid thanks to its own module and antenna. The 7-inch IPS screen, 1024 by 600, is bright and crisp. Wired mirror link covers video when parked. Sound gets real help from a built-in DSP, 10-band EQ, 4.2-channel preamp, and 2 sub-outputs. Clean, punchy, easy to tune. A big heatsink keeps the party cool on summer commutes. Install is beginner-friendly, especially with a vehicle-specific harness. Steering wheel controls work, and the backup camera kit routes with a single run. Steering wheel controls work, and the backup camera kit routes with a single run to the tail. Image quality is surprisingly good on older trucks. Boot time and wireless pairing feel quicker than many OEM units. Nice touch. Email support can generate a custom boot logo or wallpaper for that OEM plus vibe. Know the trade-offs. No Wi-Fi hotspot, the screen protrudes slightly from the chassis, and proper fit may require a dash kit and antenna harness adapters. The standout here is support. Fast answers, firmware help, even Goodwill replacements beyond warranty. For affordable modern features, strong sound tools, and rare customer care, this unit hits above its class.